In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download movies, series, or shows in your Disney Plus. The first thing that we will be discussing is how you can download the movie. You can download a movie by searching them or by downloading a movie in the recommended section. Just click the movie, and there in the play button and the pause button, you will see the download button, which is this icon. You can also check if the movie is finished on being downloaded by clicking the download icon on the navigation bar at the bottom part of the screen. Next is how you can download shows. The same thing like clicking the recommended section, or you can find it by using the search button. For example, is The Simpsons. Once you click The Simpsons, you will see that per episode there is a download button beside it. Well, you can also download the whole season by clicking the season label and the download button in it. And that's it. That's how you can download series or movies in your Disney Plus, and thank you for listening.